The year was 2010. Deep within the archives of the University of Hamburg's library, a remarkable discovery awaited. A previously unknown manuscript fragment, small and unassuming, lay hidden among a collection of ancient papyri. It had been there for decades, its true significance unknown. This was no ordinary fragment. It held within its fibers a piece of Christian history dating back centuries. The fragment, written in Greek on papyrus, immediately caught the attention of scholars. Its script, a form of writing common in the 3rd century AD, hinted at its age. Further examination revealed that the text was not from the Bible as we know it. Instead, it contained a story about the childhood of Jesus, a narrative absent from the canonical Gospels. This unexpected find sent ripples of excitement through the world of biblical scholarship. Here was a tangible link to the early centuries of Christianity, a period shrouded in mystery and intrigue. The fragment promised to shed light on a time when the stories of Jesus were still being written and circulated, offering a glimpse into the beliefs and practices of the first generations of Christians. The discovery of the fragment was just the beginning. A team of experts led by biblical scholar Dr. Klaus Wachtel embarked on a meticulous investigation to unlock its secrets. Their first task was to decipher the faded Greek text, painstakingly reconstructing the missing letters and words. This was a challenging endeavor, requiring both linguistic expertise and a deep understanding of ancient scribal practices. Through careful analysis, the researchers were able to identify the text as a portion of the infancy Gospel of Thomas. This non-canonical Gospel, dating back to the 2nd century AD, offered a collection of stories about Jesus' childhood, depicting him as a child possessing extraordinary powers. The text on the fragment describes the beginning of the vivification of the sparrows episode, an account of Jesus performing a miracle as a child. In this narrative, the young Jesus molds 12 sparrows from clay and brings them to life, a story considered the second miracle in the IGT. According to the text, when Jesus' father Joseph rebukes him for creating the sparrows on the Sabbath, Jesus claps his hands and the clay figures come to life and fly away. To determine the age of the fragment, the researchers employed a technique known as paleography. This method involves comparing the handwriting style of the fragment to other dated manuscripts from the same period. Based on their analysis, the team concluded that the fragment likely originated in the 3rd century AD, making it one of the earliest known copies of the infancy Gospel of Thomas. The infancy Gospel of Thomas, while not included in the New Testament canon, was a popular text among early Christians. It offered a glimpse into the hidden years of Jesus' life, a period not covered in the canonical Gospels. This Gospel, filled with tales of miracles and wonders, portrayed Jesus as a child endowed with divine power even from a young age. The stories in the infancy Gospel of Thomas, while often fantastical in nature, provided a window into the beliefs and values of early Christian communities. They reflected a fascination with the miraculous and a desire to understand the nature of Jesus' divinity. These stories, circulated and shared among believers, played a role in shaping early Christian piety and devotion. The discovery of the Hamburg fragment offered valuable insights into the transmission and reception of this early Christian text. It demonstrated the continued popularity of the infancy Gospel of Thomas centuries after its initial composition, highlighting its enduring appeal among believers. The fragments served as a tangible reminder of the diverse range of early Christian writings that circulated alongside the canonical Gospels.